My name is Millie Floyd-Evans. I'm 17 years old and I'm passionate about being a member of Youth Parliament. I am honoured and excited to be representing NYAS and other care experienced children and young people, CYP in Wales. I'm keen to utilise my personal experiences to raise awareness of issues relating to CYP. The social services system has influenced the course of my life, and I understand the disadvantages that can hinder care experienced CYP's progress in life. I believe in the power of democracy as a force of good in a civilised society. I believe I would be able to represent the most vulnerable in our society, being young children and people in care. I will make myself regularly available to hear from young people and children in care, their concerns and worries, so that I could be their voice and represent them in the Youth Parliament. I am proud to represent them. I am a member of Bright Sparks. This participation group is for CYP aged 11 to 25 who are currently or have been in the care of Cardiff Local Authority. As members, we provide a wider voice in the planning, development and evaluation of services that affect us. We meet fortnightly and are a supportive and friendly group who have fun. I shall be regularly meeting with the CYP who attend the NYAS Young People's Advisory Group, YPAG. This group of CYP from across Wales was established to consult about changes to NYAS services, policy and recruitment, with members contributing to the evaluation of good practice. The group also influences wider policy and practice in Wales to ensure that services are run and developed with and for care experienced young people. These groups consist of CYP who are committed to positive change. Their views will be my influence. I will be a strong advocate to represent children and young people who are unable to find their own voice, and I am a good listener. I have completed peer advocacy and peer mentoring training at NYAS, which along with my A-level choices, law, sociology and history, will enhance my skills to be a strong representative. The issues I personally feel most passionately about are taking the profit out of caring for children and young people. Only the government or non-profit organisation should be responsible for this. To address the stigma of looked after children in the education system, schools should provide more education about the lives of children in care. It is not just teachers but pupils too who need to have increased awareness. This learning should be part of the curriculum. Greater transparency regarding finances in the care of children. In particular, standardising the policies and procedures in relation to allowance for children so that everyone, including the child, knows what their entitlement is.